Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to the very first update of Ethereum Classic for Thursday 28th of July, and we've already seen a very big amazing green candle pump to the upside, and previously we've seen Ethereum pumping to the upside and the peer, which is actually Ethereum Classic, moving higher as well. So what I'm going to give you, the update that I'm about to give you here is nothing more than a bullish rectangle that you've actually broken out of. So let me actually talk about the pattern itself first of all, which is going to be bullish rectangle here, and let's bring the images as well, and that's what I'm talking about, this image right over there. Okay, something like this, right? Amazing. So when you move to the upside and you start to make that sideways movement, you break to the upside, that's where you actually are looking to move higher. It's something like this in a nutshell, a very simple pattern: move up, come down, move up, move sideways, move to the upside. So the technical target we're looking for, Ethereum Classic at the moment, is going to be from there to there, and this is where you're breaking out of it. So you're going to actually go up to $48.56, and that's going to be a nice price appreciation of, from there to there. We're looking for 47% move to the upside that is pending, and that's very simple, short, simple update just for you, and I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.